Welcome to Manifested Publishers. We offer KASNEB study materials and video lectures.
Hello candidates, welcome to today's revision session. We continue to revise the paper that was tested in May 2019. So far we have done question 1, question 2. Today we move to answer question 3, and as always, please make sure you answer this question before coming to this session. Don't attend this session before you do question 3, which we want to solve here on the board. The question is in 4 parts, A, B, C, D. Part A says, describe 4 forms of dividend payments that a company could utilize to pay its shareholders. Forms of dividend payments. This is May 2019 question 3. A. Forms of dividend payments. Forms of dividend payment. By now, I know you are aware that the reason why investors put their money in a company in form of shares is because of the return expected on such investment. This return is known as dividend. When you invest in a company, then at some point the company will reward you for the investment. That reward is known as dividend, and this dividend can be paid in different forms. The question is requiring the candidates to identify 4 forms of dividend payment. The first common form is cash dividend. Cash dividend. A company may pay dividend in cash, and that is dependent on the availability of cash. If the company has cash, then at its disposal, then that cash can be paid in to pay the shareholders. And many companies pay dividends in form of cash, and sufficient cash is available only when a company prepares a cash budget to estimate the required amount for the period for which the budget is prepared. So the company will only pay the dividend in cash if the cash is sufficient and the cash is also available. And that cash can only be available where a company has estimated in advance through a cash budget. So where cash dividends are expected to be paid is important for the company to operate within the budget. A budget has to be prepared earlier, estimating the amount of dividend that is expected to be paid to the shareholders in form of a dividend at the end of the year. The next form of dividend can be what we call scrip dividend. Scrip dividend. Now, this is where equity shareholders are issued with the transferable promissory notes for a shorter maturity period, and promissory notes are given where the company is facing liquidity challenges. Promissory notes are issued to the equity shareholders in form of dividends where the company has shortage of cash. This happens when the company has shortage cash, liquidity problems. In the first case, there is availability of cash the shareholders are paid cash. In the second case, the shareholders are issued with transferable notes and with the shorter maturity period, and this only happens when the company is experiencing liquidity problems. Then number 3 is a stock dividend. Stock dividend. Stock dividend. This is a payment. This is payment of additional stocks. Additional, let me say, shares of common stock, additional shares of common stock to ordinary shareholders. Instead of paying dividends in cash or paying dividends in form of scrips, the company can decide to give the existing shareholders additional shares. Okay, additional shares of common stock. Then number 4 is property dividend. As the name suggests, property dividend is where now the company, instead of paying cash or shares, the company can decide to pay in form of assets, especially where such assets are no longer required within the business. The assets are no longer needed in the operations of the business, and at the same time the shareholders have no problem being paid in form of stock. So this is just payment in form of assets. I can say this takes place in form of assets. This takes place in form of assets. The payment of dividends takes place in form of assets. It happens where the firm has assets which are no longer needed in the firm, and the shareholders and let me say, and the shareholders are willing to be paid dividends in form of assets, because there are some shareholders who would just want money. Okay, cash. So candidates, these are some of the forms that dividends may be paid: cash, scrip, stock, property. So if you are a shareholder, you can either be paid cash, given a check, or cash money transferred to your account. It doesn't matter how it is done. It can be check, it can be cash, the money can be transferred to your account. Scrip dividend is where now you are given a promissory note which has a short term maturity period. Then that we've said happens only when the company is experiencing liquidity problems. There is no money at the moment, so you are given a promissory note, say 3 months or 2 months, which matures in 2-3 months, which you can be transferred into cash within 2 or 3 months. Then you may also be paid in form of shares, given additional shares, or you can be given assets. So these are some of the ways in which dividend may be paid, or cash dividend, we say that many companies pay dividends. Many companies pay dividends in form of cash where there is sufficient cash set aside, on the basis of cash budget prepared earlier. That's what I said.